Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this style I call Dazzling Drips. So the question of the day is, what is Fauvism? Alright, let's run through the color.
Van Dyke Brown, Quin Red, Quin Orange, Red Oxide, Phthalo Green, Sap Green, Ultramarine Blue, Cobalt Blue, Quin Blue, Turquoise, Cobalt Teal, Primary Yellow, Titanium White, Mars Black.
Alright, today we're going to do a style I call Dazzling Drips. Alright, we got our initial layers in. It's kind of this nice Quin Red blend on a red and blue. We got the gesso in there, obviously. We got a teal layer here. There's a little bit of cobalt blue. There's not much you're seeing here. In this layer, what we're going to do is add contrasting colors. See how this works out. We're going to use a really dark brown and then kind of a yellow brown, and then we'll go into the light blue again. So we'll pull that through and see how these underlayers pull through those layers. We just got done. We have that red oxide is really strong in the painting. We have a little bit of the brown, but a lot of it's been washed away. We got those really nice streaking here going through here. I kind of want to bring back in the blue, so I'm going to bring back in a very dark purple. We're going to bring in a turquoise, and it's going to be all kind of a light layer on top of this to kind of hopefully keep this layer, but also make it pop as well. So Fauvism is a style called Wild Beast. So basically, Fauve in French is wild beast. And so when the critics saw the first show of Fauvism, they're like, oh my God, it's wild beast. What is this craziness? So Fauvism is really kind of a birth out of Van Gogh's post-impressionism, which was really more wilder colors than impressionism, and then interpreted even more extreme. So that became labeled kind of the wild beast because it was completely unnatural painting colors with kind of an impressionist look as far as like the brushstroke really thick and all that. And the creators were Matisse, Andre Derain. Also Brox was in it a little bit as well. And there's several other Fauvist painters. It only lasted very briefly, 1905 to maybe 1908 and 1810. So, you know, people obviously continued with the style, but the real genesis of that style was that really short time frame. And then right after that, kind of Cubism took off. So that's the history of Fauvism. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So we get this really nice, intense purple on the back with the kind of turquoise. That turquoise is kind of combined with the brown to kind of create more of a dark green, which is really nice combination, accidental. You get kind of that like rusty brown come through the middle there. I kind of lightened it up, so hopefully that pops. We got another really nice drip effect in this painting. I would say it's probably the best out of the four. Really liked how they had this particular drip pattern. I think it's the best drip pattern out of the four that I just did. I could darken this a little bit on the ends. I think I'm going to leave it as is. Could be a little darker just to kind of make that middle pop, but I think I'm just going to live with it. It looks cool as is. It's kind of cool to see that kind of weird brown purple kind of coming through. You don't really know what the color is because it's kind of fighting each other between the brown and the purple layers. Yeah, and I think it's a pretty cool painting. Again, it could be a little darker maybe just to make that middle pop, but I think I'm just going to live with it as is. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And check out my Patreon channel for the full version of this. See you later.